Okay. Sit in a cross-leg posture. Sit in a cross-leg posture. If you are sitting on a chair, ensure that your feet are grounded properly on the ground. Gently close your eyes and just take your attention to the center of your eyebrows, जहां पे हम लोग अपनी बिंदी लगाते हैं. Okay, and palms facing the ceiling above. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now just listen to my instruction and do breathing accordingly. Inhale through the nose and exhale from the mouth. So as if you're blowing a candle. Don't open your eyes. Just listen to the instruction. Inhale through the nose and exhale from the mouth. नंदिनी जी आपके चश्मा निकाल दीजिए, बाद में पहन लीजिएगा. Inhale through the nose and exhale from the mouth. Inhale नाक से और exhale मुंह से. Inhale and exhale. Now just inhale through the nose and exhale from the nose. Anusha, mute everybody. Inhale and exhale. With every inhalation, let your tummy come out, and with every exhalation, tuck your navel in. Inhale deeply as much as you can and exhale very gently. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. आपका राइट हैंड आपकी नाभि के ऊपर और आपका लेफ्ट हैंड आपकी छाती के ऊपर. उंगलियां खुली हुई. उंगलियां खुली हुई. Perfect. Now just take a breath and feel the change in your hand. So जब आप सांस लेते हो आपकी नाभि बाहर आती है और जब आप सांस निकालते हो तब आपकी छाती बैठ जाती है. Just experience that. Continue to keep your eyes closed and do it. Inhale and exhale. Calm down your breath. Feel the coolness in your breath. You are inhaling a cool air which is rubbing your nostril and going inside your body. And you are exhaling the hot air which is coming out of your lungs through the nasal passage and through your nostril. Inhale and exhale. Take your attention to the tip of your nose. Nasika drashti. So take your attention to your tip of your nose with eyes closed. Inhale and exhale. Normal breathing. Don't stretch yourself. Don't stress yourself. Now धीरे से अपना right hand छाती के ऊपर and left hand आपके सर के ऊपर, crown area पे. Inhale and exhale. सर के ऊपर, सर के ऊपर, सर के पीछे नहीं, सर के ऊपर. Yes, perfect. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let go yourself. दिमाग में बहुत सारी बातें आएगी, छोड़ दीजिए उसे. Just take your attention to your nasal passage. Feel the cool air that is going in and take out the warm air that comes out of your body. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 5 more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Now दोनों हाथ सर के ऊपर. लेफ्ट हैंड नीचे, राइट हैंड उसके ऊपर. Inhale and exhale. 4 more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Continue to keep your eyes closed. हाथ नीचे लेके आइए और आपके शरीर में जो आप ब्रेथ ले रहे हैं उसके ऊपर अपना ध्यान केंद्रित कीजिए. जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट. अगर सर में कुछ, दिमाग में कुछ बातें आ रही है, उसको आके जाने दीजिए जैसे बहता पानी है. डोंट होल्ड ऑन टू द थॉट्स. जस्ट स्टे देयर विथ योर ब्रेथ. अटेंशन ओनली ऑन योर ब्रेथ. Just be with yourself. Don't get entangled into your thoughts and calm down your breath. Slowly rub your palms, cup your eyes, and slowly open your eyes in your palms. Okay, this is the basic thing that every day you must do for your own self. This is the basic breathing exercise that I have taught you. और उसके साथ में आप एक अच्छी time. Ideally, you should be empty stomach for previous 2 hours. You can at max have water, but empty stomach. Breathing exercise यानी प्राणायाम. You are controlling your own breath. So जब प्राणायाम कर रहे होते हैं, अगर पेट के अंदर कुछ खाना पड़ा हुआ है तो आपकी एनर्जी लेवल उतनी अच्छी नहीं होती है, and that is not beneficial for your breathing. So we always recommend 2 hours of empty stomach. So सुबह करो या तो शाम को करो, और आपने 2 घंटे का एम्प्टी स्टमक रखा है तो आपकी ब्रीदिंग बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी. इसके साथ में आप ओमकार डालो, भ्रामरी प्राणायाम डालो और अनुलोम विलोम डालो. आपके खुद के लिए, irrespective of your health condition, it is very very good for your own mind and body. ये बहुत सिंपल है, मैंने बहुत सिंपल ब्रीदिंग सिखाई है, but it will change your attitude and your approach. और आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी ओवरनाइट चेंज हो जाएगी. It takes time to change your body because it takes time for you to get into this. So एक अच्छी सी म्यूजिक लगाओ जो आपको पसंद है. Maybe it has to be a very soothing one. I am a strong believer of bringing music into yoga. So I always recommend play some nice soothing music and do your pranayam. It will help you to change your own attitude, approach, and your mindset. Okay, so let's stop here, Anusha. I'll share the screen now again with you.